Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can easily recover your old Facebook account using a few simple steps. First, make sure you are logged out of any other Facebook account on your device. And open your web browser and type facebook.com/login/identify and tap go. Now you'll be prompted to a website where you can use a mobile number, email address or username to find your account. Now simply type your username here. After you type your username, tap continue. Now tap another way. Here in this case, we don't have any access to our email or password, so we'll choose get code via Facebook notification. And what this does is, it will send a notification to your another Facebook linked apps like Instagram or WhatsApp, where you will get your code to get access to your Facebook. So let's tap on get code via Facebook notification and tap continue. Now you can see that Facebook has sent a code to our another linked application from where you can enter the code. Once you've successfully entered the code or password, your old account will be recovered. And make sure to update your email or phone number to a current one so you can easily recover it in the future. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.